China has just revealed the J-35 stealth fighter, and this time the details are sharper than ever. At its debut, cameras confirmed something remarkable. The jet can hold 6 missiles inside its body, hidden from radar, while also folding its wings to fit tightly on aircraft carriers. This is not just a technical achievement. It's a testament to how far China's aviation industry has progressed. The J-35 isn't just another stealth fighter. It's a carefully engineered machine designed to solve some of the hardest problems in naval aviation. Developed by the Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, the aircraft evolved from the earlier FC-31 project that first flew in 2012. For years, the FC-31 prototype seemed like an experiment. Now, in 2025, it has matured into a fully fledged stealth jet that China is ready to put on carriers. The most striking design revelation is the internal weapons bay. During a CCTV broadcast, close-up shots revealed that the J-35 can carry 6 missiles internally. Engineers have employed a clever folded fin and compressed launcher arrangement that enables compact storage without compromising stealth. This setup is crucial because external weapons mounted under the wings would make the aircraft easier to detect on radar. Housing them inside maintains low visibility while still giving the pilot substantial firepower. The aircraft's dimensions were also revealed: a length of about 17.3 meters and a wingspan of 11.5 meters. These numbers place the J-35 close to the size of other fifth-generation fighters, but optimized for both land and sea operations. What makes it unique is its folding wings, a critical feature for aircraft carriers where deck space is limited. Alongside the wings, the J-35 also includes a tailhook for arrested landings and a launch bar for catapult takeoffs. This makes it compatible with both electromagnetic catapult systems. On the technology side, the J-35 is designed for network-centric combat. Reports confirm it uses an active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar, which allows the jet to track multiple targets simultaneously at long ranges. It also includes an electro-optical targeting system for infrared detection, giving it another layer of situational awareness. Pilots will benefit from a wide-angle head-up display and integrated data link systems that let the jet share information with other aircraft or ships. Engines are a critical part of any fighter's performance. Early versions of the J-35 were powered by the WS-13E and WS-21 engines. Observers identified these largely by looking at the exhaust nozzle geometry in prototype images. The most talked-about aspect of the J-35 is its missile loadout. Unlike previous Chinese fighters, which relied heavily on external pylons, the J-35 is built to carry its weapons internally. Designers confirmed it can carry 6 advanced missiles inside its bays while maintaining stealth. That number matters. It matches the benchmark set by America's F-22, which can also carry 6 internally. But what exactly are these missiles? Analysts point to the PL-15 Beyond Visual Range missile, which has become a mainstay of China's aerial arsenal. The PL-15 is estimated to have a range of 200 to 300 kilometers, depending on the launch conditions. This means a J-35 could engage enemy aircraft from far outside visual range, relying on both radar and data link cues to strike before being detected. The PL-15 uses an active radar seeker and a 2-stage motor that helps it reach these extended ranges. This is where stealth plays an even bigger role. A jet carrying 6 long-range missiles externally would light up on radar, but by tucking them inside, the J-35 retains its low observable profile. In practice, this means it can get closer to targets undetected, unleash its missiles, and then exit the engagement before being tracked. The folded fin design of the PL-15 allows all 6 to fit neatly inside the bay, something Western analysts didn't expect to see so soon from a Chinese design. The J-35 stealth extends beyond the weapons bay. Its overall airframe shows an emphasis on smooth curves and aligned edges that minimize radar reflections. Combined with radar-absorbent materials and advanced coatings, it aims to reduce the radar cross-section significantly. Chinese state media has suggested the J-35 incorporates electro-optical sensors and infrared search systems, which not only help in detecting stealthy opponents, but also reduce reliance on radar, which can give away position. To understand why the J-35 matters, you need to look at where it fits in China's military aviation ecosystem. Unlike the land-based J-20, which is optimized for air dominance, the J-35 is tailored for aircraft carriers. This makes it a central piece in the next stage of China's naval expansion. The first step is integration with the Fujian aircraft carrier, Type 003. Fujian is China's first carrier to feature an electromagnetic catapult system, similar to the U.S. Navy's newest carriers. During its sea trials in May 2025, J-35s were spotted on deck, confirming compatibility. Catapult launches allow aircraft to take off with heavier payloads compared to ski jump ramps, meaning J-35s can operate at full combat load without compromise. This greatly extends their operational reach and flexibility. Looking ahead, the Type 004 supercarrier is already under construction. Reports suggest it will be larger and designed to host both manned aircraft and unmanned drones. The J-35 will likely serve as the backbone of its manned fighter wing. By creating a stealth jet that works seamlessly across both current and future carriers, China ensures its investments in naval aviation have long-term relevance. The J-35 also has a land-based counterpart, the J-35A, which is being introduced into the People's Liberation Army Air Force. The land version shares core components with the naval jet, making maintenance, logistics, and training more efficient. More importantly, both variants are designed to operate in the same data networks, firing the same weapons and sharing information in real time. Equally important is the signaling effect. By unveiling the J-35 publicly at the September 3, 2025 Victory Day Parade, China demonstrated confidence in its readiness. The fact that both the carrier-based J-35 and the land-based J-35A appeared together showed the scale of the program and its role as a cornerstone of China's aviation future. The detailed CCTV coverage in the days after the parade, highlighting folding wings, weapons bays, and design philosophy, was a deliberate message. This jet is ready for frontline service. This sets the stage for a more competitive environment globally, where multiple nations now field carrier-capable stealth fighters. And that brings us to the big picture. The J-35 is not just a new aircraft. It's a symbol of China's technological momentum and its determination to redefine what its carriers can do. The J-35 isn't just another stealth fighter. It's a milestone in carrier aviation. With 6 hidden missiles, folding wings, advanced sensors, and integration with new carriers like Fujian, it signals a leap in design and ambition. What makes it important is not one feature but the combination: stealth, range, and adaptability working as part of a larger network. While its long-term performance will depend on engines, training, and operations at sea, its debut shows clear intent. The skies above the oceans are evolving fast, and the J-35 is right at the center of that change. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.